Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back for more. I truly appreciate your support. And if you are new here, welcome. This is a commentary channel where we talk about interesting, trending, and sometimes crazy things happening out there. My goal is to entertain you, share my thoughts, and keep the conversation going. So go ahead and watch this video, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Story time of how my family found out that I was pregnant is a grade 12 lane abang. So a quick background story of how everything rolled out before we got to the point whereby they found out. So guys, I was just a girl, man. I was just a girl. I was a good girl, everything. Like my parents least expected this because I had been like not right from like the get-go. You know, they azange koko scandal on my name, azange babize esikolweni on anything, and I've never been late when I'm coming back from school. So they didn't even think about I was actually sexually active to begin with. And on top of everything, guys, I was a straight A student. Like, I can't do many, you know. But Kesana, life had other plans because Njandi good girl, Kesana, full-time good girl, straight A student, don't part-time, don't scares like that no one knows about. You know, good to Kesana, what happens in the dark always comes into light. Yeah, but into a between. But so I had been dating this guy for quite some time, and yabona, we had been like about to make reckless decisions, Kwatina, and we thought, you know, pregnancy is just not our thing. But is it so as a guys, this guy grew the obsession over children that I don't know my P because he starting conversations about children but in the future I don't know, but it's something that's gonna happen. It's just a matter of a few days or months or weeks, you know. So Kesana, in just a space of a week or so, I'm not sure how long, but it happened. We got pregnant. But at that point, we didn't know, so too, we didn't know, but okay, something happened. Everything is going fine, and then we started fighting. Like from being lavi-davi, talking about babies, and we just started fighting. And I didn't want anything that has anything to do with him. And I remember this one time, guys. Okay, tried to kidnap me, like literally kidnapping, but he tried ways to actually meet up with me, and then satibana up was doing a corner, and then and I was like, what? And we're fighting, and I said hurtful things to him, he said hurtful things to me, and then he took me back. Of Pinos on drop because I'm like, what? Fine. Guys, it got to the point that Sablokana, and then we stopped talking completely. And then that's when everything started going south. I'm still going to school at this point. I think it was around November because it was exam season. And it was like, hey, I'm not feeling quite well. Like for a whole week. I'm sick, but I'm not vomiting. I'm not having any of the morning sickness. And now you're on his side. Just not hitting. Now you're on his side. He's dying. Hey, guys, a couple got to like guys, now you're on his side, he's dying, he's vomiting, he's bedridden. Because I was skipping school at that point because sometimes I can't go to school and I can't really say because so now I'm suspecting that something is actually happening. But I was like, okay, fine. I'm not even gonna unblock him because I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna take care of this with immediate effect. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna wait until the Kabubala, and then I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do the things. And then I went to get a PT, and then it tested positive, obviously. And then I was like, okay, fine. I was not even stressed because I was not even stressed because I was like, okay, fine. So what? Because in no time, oh guys, sick on his side, he hadn't tried reaching out to me. I say bumpy even to each other. Like we at this point we've never seen each other ever after that day. Yeah, but hey guys, at this point maybe I was like something a few days towards being 3 months pregnant. Yeah, but now I'm still unaware because in the 3 months and delay, but I'm still gonna raise money and go to a private place and then hey I decide, but no man, you know what man, let me go to a public clinic. And then day cousin cousin yamu, and now I can't leave my cousin if we're going 5 a.m. Yabo. So like everything man was going my hand is okay. So nake was dala by hairstylist again, and I was this hairstylist just style with kulayo but man in men's braids and so it's time you're getting time men's braids, and I was like I was not gonna say no because why am I saying no? So I was like okay fine, ikon land was a superstition about bones in okomdo omitiyo. So I'm when dayenza istam inhloko guys zange kube insuku zaqala andazi wakhawuzelelwa inhloko zaqhawuka yayingamachana ingathi umuntu lo oqhithwa, and she was blaming it on this thing wayithengile caba it has she bought something new for her hair, and then Lando it has weed and is so she was blaming it on Lando she even threw it away, was like yo if only you knew. So guys, I guess because yazi December holidays, my cousin was around the whole time, parents in Tony, like I couldn't do it, and I was not gonna be able to wake up exen. I tried this one time with this other friend of mine, Safika Pana, and then we're told go bye silate papa silate. So fine, this one time ndiyahlamba isister yami ingene ke eromini ifike ndiyahlamba le sister yami asikavulwa ke isikolo afike ndihlamba athi ke hayibo why nipples zakho zimnyama kanjena ndithi ke hayibo nipples zami have always been like this, what do you mean bazimnyama? And like she bought the story because she doesn't have umntana or anything. She was like oh okay, and that was it yaphelela up. I got up and like jonga during December manje ithiwa yo uyathanda ulala engathi kanti nje abantu like family members xa sifikile fika usolo ndilele to yo kanti because I've never been like umntu solo kana energy soloko ulele soloko uthini bangqomba bathi yo uyatyeba yo he ngathi kanti ndinqomba yo nitsho khona. But at that point I was thinking mhlawumbe ndi 1 month preggers or so yabo. So I was like it's fine, ubetha nje ngoJanuary khwela kuko zathi morning class on ndizothi lo ndiyiyo ndingayazi ibanzathi intoni. Yo, I started going to school ke ngizavula isikolo after like ndiyile kula ndawo, and they told me bayiwa girl late wena and asizukwenza, even though indawo e-private guys ndibhatele 700 yami ndirize nzima ndingumntana. They told me but no ke sana bye, we're not going to do it, and I was like okay fine, bayithatha ke 700 kanjalo. I went back to school because it was like a few days before isikolo sivulwe. Went back to school ndizihambile guys ne-public clinics and kuyavukwa phaa kuthiwa kuvuka ubani bani fike kugcwele nqoma abantu basemonti ninga abantu abanjani nithi nigcwale 50 every day. Hayi bethonani self love xa phele self love. So zavulwa izikolo, abantwana besikolo niyabazi ngoba zi-pregnancy test bandibona ndisathi gqipha. I was wearing isigqebhi sami sesiketi mos mna soloko ndithi isigqebhi sesiketi ndithanda unxiba isheti nesiketi ndibe cute ndibe njeya. So I was dressed up ndiqoma I'm cute, I'm very cute for first day at school, you know, because siyazivula izikolo and I'm a grade 12 ntontoni pupil. So you know, those vibes abantwana besikolo bandibona. I was a talk of the town, can get that point. So in of us in Bono as teachers probably, but ekaya andaziwa. And I was like, yo sana. So in Bono and then I met up with this friend that knows the man that I was dating. He was telling me, yo guy, I can't take to December. Was sick, 10, Ekula, and Alina. I was like, yeah, story was like similar to mine because I was also sick on my side. So I was also sick. So I've been called by yo guy was sick and go right. He wanted to reach out to you, but uti when I want to and block it.
This lady right here took to a TikTok account to share how she got pregnant at a very young age, and she was still at school doing matric, and a lot went down. I feel like this is a message to young girls out there who are still at school to play far away from boys. But anyway, I know this one you can never say, especially to girls that are in love, women that are in love. It's very difficult to advise them. But with this video, she actually explained Uguti at home. She was a very quiet child. She used to get like a straight A's, like she was that kind of a child. Even if you can go to her parents and tell them your girl is pregnant or girl has done something wrong, they will stand for her to say she will never do that. And what I've learned in this video is that do not stand for a human being. Like, just do not stand for a human being, because you will be disappointed. You will be disappointed. Trust me when I say this. It never ends well if you are someone who goes around boasting about your kids, boasting about your husband. They will always embarrass you. they will make sure that they embarrass you in front of everyone. Yes. So fortunately for this girl right here, she did succeed. She did pass the matric very well with a bachelor's degree with four distinctions, which is really good for her. But this may not be the case for every woman who gets pregnant while they're still going to school. So just be careful. Just be careful if you are in matric, grade 11, grade 10, whichever grade you are in there, play far away from boys, because boys, they will impregnate you and still continue with their own journey as if like nothing happened. Remember, you are the one who's going to carry this child 9 months. And yeah, now he will be continuing as if nothing has happened. And fortunately for this one, Ugai Nai, he was wishing like, yay, a lot was just happening also on his side, which is fair, but it can never be fair. You as a woman, you carry the whole burden.